Welcome back. The trucks which do not get registered with the government might face a lifetime ban on ore transportation the moment mining operations resume. Government has extended the registration deadline by 8 more days for facilitation of the trucks. Till now, only 7,000 trucks out of 21,000 are registered.
Government is formulating a respite policy for the trucks which are off the road due to the mining ban. Government is also ensuring that the aid reaches to the genuine truck owners and hence has asked all the mining trucks to get enrolled at GEL to get benefit of the government scheme. This committee is headed by Industries Minister Mahadev Naik. The present position of the trucks enrollment is as such. 21,000 trucks are registered with RTO. Only 7,000 trucks have approached the government for aid. Remaining trucks are avoiding enrollment despite the period of registration is over. Government has extended the time limit by 8 more days. Sources reveal that the trucks which are not registered will not be allowed to ply for ore transportation once the mining operations resume. Sources reveal large number of trucks purposely avoiding registration. Large chunk of trucks belong to government servants and government officers. Many of the trucks are owned by police and RTO officials. Majorly trucks purchased out of black money. Officials afraid to come forward fearing exposure of their corruption. Government intends to curb the illegal acts of the officials through this registration drive. This is the reason government has taken a strict stand. Some of the MLAs are facing pressure to revert such a decision by the government. Now it is to be seen how the legislators and administration sustain this pressure. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Fire behind Zwar Industries and in the adjacent area of Naval Armament Depot petrified people on Monday afternoon. The reason behind the fire is not confirmed, but it spread due to dry grass. Fire personnel could not douse the fire as there was no access road to the burning site.
Look at the Zwar Indian oil tanks at Zwar. On Monday afternoon, the area behind these oil tanks was engulfed in a blaze as dry grass caught fire. People immediately called the fire services, but the fire personnel could not douse the flames as there was no access road to the area. Coincidentally, area around Zwar Industries and Armament Depot of Navy also caught fire at the same time. People were petrified as the fire incidents were reported at 3 different places in sensitive and highly flammable areas of Zwar. Fortunately, the fire calmed down by the late evening as the wind flow was very low. A reporter from Zwar, Surendra Madkekar.
Panchayats from mining belt have decided to file intervention plea in the mining matter in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has denied to entertain the memorandum of the panchayats from mining belt demanding lifting ban on legal mining in the state. Court has asked the panchayats to follow legal process before approaching the apex court.
The panchayats from the mining belt had submitted a memorandum before the Supreme Court to vacate ban on legal mining in the state. They prayed before the court to allow legal mining, mentioning that over 5 lakh people in Goa are directly and indirectly dependent upon the mining activity. The stoppage of mining activity in the last few months has resulted in serious impact on the livelihood of people. They also mentioned that most of them are poor and they don't have any other option than to commit suicide. They requested the Supreme Court to consider their memorandum and start legal mining in Goa. Supreme Court did not entertain their memorandum since it was sent by post without following any legal procedure and asked them to represent their authorized person or an advocate. According to sources, panchayats have decided to file an intervention plea before the Supreme Court. Nearly 30 panchayats had passed a resolution in the Gram Sabha demanding restart of legal mining. Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent Media.
Intercontinental, one of the leading tour operators on the Georgian market, will start charter flights to Goa from this December. Intercontinental has an exclusive offer together with Bank Republic for the Goa tour. They offer an interest-free loan for 12 months.
According to Nino McFillades, General Director of Intercontinental, the company will be introducing updates in 2013 and offering people some new destinations as a result. As she says, 2012 has been a very successful year and quite busy for the company. She says about their Goa package. Spending New Year in Goa will be exciting. I'm inviting people to Intercontinental to arrange an unforgettable time there. It's a very beautiful destination with a rich history and culture. I travel abroad very often, but visiting Goa has had a great effect on me. This is one of the first places to see. Although the company sometimes serves groups of foreigner and corporate clients visiting Georgia, Intercontinental will start working actively on incoming tourism in 2013. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.